Hey, good evening, everyone. Welcome to my Computer Science 444 circuit number 4C, the DIY Who Am I game. I kind of modded it to make it a bit easier for like NFL and NHL teams. But yeah, as you can see, it'll run down. I just kind of put a bunch of NHL and NFL teams, so it'll pick either that category of NHL and NFL before it gets going. So I'll show you the first bit of the code running with the serial monitor plugged into my USB. Obviously, you can see the potentiometer dims it or brightens it. Sorry about the shaky hands here. But as I hit it, it'll start it. So we're going to play NHL teams. Give you a little countdown to get you ready. So obviously, if this is on your forehead, you'll say Dallas Stars. Gives you 15 seconds. We'll be playing up to 25 rounds. I'll just skip through them. This takes a bit of time, but I'll show you as I do it on here. You can see it on the serial monitor. And then you'll get a winner, chicken dinner. And I'll just ask you to press the button to play again. You get the little winner tone. So once it goes to the next screen, we're ready to restart. So I did that so you wouldn't have to hit reset every time. If you lose, it'll do the same thing. We'll run it through. This time it'll be NFL teams. You know, we'll count down. So I'll just hit a few of them. We go to like round 10. Gives a little beep every time we hit the button, just for some feedback. So we're at 10 seconds. 9, 8. So when we lose, it'll say game over. And again, I've kind of prompted it so that you'll hit a button to restart it. So as you can see, it's game over. And then I'll show you with the battery power plugged in, and then I'll show you my Tinkercad virtual simulation. Welcome back. So now I have the battery power plugged in, so it's not plugged into my USB. So we're going to lose the serial monitor this time, but that's okay because we're just going to see if it functions as we had just seen it. I mean, the potentiometer still operates as intended. As you can see, it's a bit of a wiring mess. So it's going to go NFL. I'll just run through. I'm going to hold it in. So I got to work on my delay a bit because sometimes when I win or lose the round, if I go too fast, if I don't play the game like it was meant to, I don't get the winner or the loser buzz that I set. It kind of comes as a delay, as you can see here. So I'm just going to fix my code at some point. But it does work as intended. There's just something in the delay that I got to figure out. As you can see, I hit the button and it worked. All right, so the game is ready to reset. This time we'll let it time out. I'll just hit the button a couple times. All right, so the Bruins, Leafs, Jets. All right, so we'll let this time out just to show you that it'll go to the game over screen that I set. And I do enjoy kind of taking some of these games and making them more modern for something I would do. So if you do want my code, or if you want to help me troubleshoot it, by all means, I'll flip you the code. So as you can see here, we got the game over. It's asking me to press the button to reset the game. So there's a bit of a delay. And then it's we're going to go to the main screen. All right, so now next is the Tinkercad video. Now it's time to show you my Tinkercad prototype for Circuit 4C, the DIY Who Am I game. So I use the same code of the serial monitor. I'm going to start a fresh simulation. So as you can see, I'll click Start Simulation. All right, so as you can see, we still have the LCD problem where we don't have the built-in 220 ohm resistor. But when I turn the potentiometer, you can see it brightens there, dims down the screen. We should push the button to start as it prompts. All right, there's the noise. So it's going to be NFL teams. We'll see that here on the serial monitor. I'm going to hit the button so the sound's working. Rather than do this 25, we'll let it time out. But overall, it seems to be working good on the Tinkercad prototype. As you know, in the past, sometimes it doesn't work quite as expected, but even the sound seemed to work this time. So overall, I'm pretty happy with that. So we just got the game over, as you can see. So overall, thank you for watching my video. It's the same thing. If you would like to see my code, just let me know, and perhaps we can keep improving this prototype into something actually better for development. Thanks, everyone.